never change. Can you wave your two hands and open your mouth and begin to worship Him? We want to celebrate the God of Jesus. He's the God that lives and never dies. And I want to celebrate the God of our Father, our great daddy, Pastor Lazarus Monka. God will celebrate you. God will keep on strengthening you so that you continue to take territories and nations for Jesus. Is that how you are celebrating our Father, my Father, your Father? Somebody shout open more. Somebody go him open more. Open more is the spirit of the living God.